back in Capri. They were so ruthless. Can you believe one of them? Of course not. Jesus Christ!
Or diburot sa kuno na yung tiri ko.
Wala man.
Dili na origin.
I didn't have to be here, you know. I had fresh cucumbers on my eyes. I had a linen robe with an insanely high thread count. It was like sleeping in a cloud. I'm out there, motherfucker.
Diskat eh.
You dumb fucks just killed Carla, the informant that was gonna punch my ticket home. What the fuck are you? Interpol agent Bobby O'Neill. That's who the fuck I am. And I know who all three of these shitheads are. Michael Bryce, AAA rated bodyguard. Pillar of the community. President. He works to races to protect me. Shotgun Willie here to kill
No,
someone.
that's under review. Okay, Kincaid took that shot. It's a secret. Dude.
You are so lonely that you just look at yourself.
Ah!
Coordinates for large-scale data grid. We've got a surveillance team there.
Oh, you have a team in Portofino?
Yeah, moving into position now.
Get the job. Get the job.
Let's get into character. I'm the bodyguard. Let's hear the British accent of Carlo's mistress. Let's skip the British accent. Those snakes being brutally executed. That's the sightline, D.
Protecting my asset.
Here to see life.
Okay.
Job.
Security check.
Oh.
2 minutes out.
Yate.
Sudari.
Huh?
Sudari.
Right, tell him. Burn the phone. Pick it up.
Hi.
These are proximity pairs.
Okay.
Until the buyer's fingerprint disarms the